Let's talk about how to transfer USDT. Okay, I'm going to take you through how to transfer USDT from your Trust Wallet to your MetaMask, then from your MetaMask back to your Trust Wallet, or your Trust Wallet to your Binance. But I'm going to start with your from Binance to your Trust Wallet. So stay tuned to this tutorial to the end. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel right away. So first of all, I'm going to go into my Binance right now. Okay, now when you go into your Binance wallet, normally you have to access your Binance wallet, you have to click on wallet. I think it's right down there. Okay, click on wallet. So when I click on wallet, I click on spot wallet. So I assume that the USDT I want to send is already in my spot wallet. So you click on withdraw and then you search out USDT. So if you don't have USDT, because I've been making transactions for some time now, so I have USDT and other coins within these levels. Okay, so for me, just you search the USDT. So while sending USDT on Binance, you can either send the USDT by email or Binance IDs. So if I tap on that Binance email, so if I'm sending to a fellow Binance user, I'll have to enter their email. Okay, let me say 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗔𝗥𝗓@gmail.com. So if you have this my email and you wish to send me USDT, it's fine, thank you. All right, so you can send USDT to this Binance email. So once you enter the person's email right there, all right, let me try this. So before you send this, the person must have enabled that they can receive crypto by email. But most times that is not always that necessary though. Most times you can just send straight away. So once you click send, I don't have enough balance, as you can see here, so it will go. So one thing that most people don't realize, that even if the money is in your spot wallet, before now you have to transfer from spot wallet to funding wallet before you can send. But right now, as it stands right now on Binance, they've made an update such that you can send from both spot wallet. If you have a different partition in spot wallet and funding wallet, you can send those different partitions you can send them out, all right, by just checking it. Okay, if you want to send token only in spot wallet, you can just uncheck the funding wallet, and that's all. The same thing applies with Binance phone number. Someone who has a Binance, enter their phone number. The same thing applies when you enter someone's Binance ID. It also applies when you enter pay ID, when you enter their Binance ID. So that's how to send Binance through email, pay ID, or USDT from Binance to someone. And if you're looking for their Binance ID, just if you click on home page, you click on your profile, you will see your Binance ID just right there. Okay, you can see that's my own Binance ID right there, and my own Binance is actually verified. So let me go back to click the wallet, spot wallet, click on withdraw. Let's say we are sending via another method. We are sending via crypto network. Okay, now if I click on crypto network, yeah, I have to click, I'm aware of that. Now I have to paste let me copy the address I want to send this to. So let me come here, let's look for USDT. If I click on USDT, click on receive here, copy the address, and then I go over to my Binance. Okay, paste the address right there to send. Now why sending from Binance, the reason why most people lose their coin is because they send to the wrong address. Okay, so the wrong network. So now I have to click on this network and choose the appropriate network. So if you can see the address I copied is actually BEP20 network. So if you are sending through different address, there are so many addresses you can send USDT on depending on the wallet you're sending to. We have BEP20, C-Chain, BEP2, ERC20, Polygon, Solana, Tezos, Tron TRC. So the majority that most people use is TRC, BEP20, and ERC20. Majority is ERC20, BEP20, and TRC. Even Polygon too. Most people send on Polygon. Alright, so now this address I copied is actually on BEP20, so I have to choose BEP20 right here. That's very important. Then enter max. That if I'm sending, okay, remember the least I must send here minimum is $10, so just enter max. I'm not sending, so I click on send spot wallet and funding wallet if I'm collecting the USDT from both wallet, if I have them in both wallet. Once I click withdraw, I'll have to enter my code. The next phase is just to enter your code and the money is out of your wallet. So look at my USDT here. You can see that I have BEP20 USDT right here. There are other USDT. There's CRC USDT on Trust Wallet right here. So if you go to this add token section of your Trust Wallet and you just type USDT, you see all the different USDT options will pop up. We have all this BEP20. Okay, there are different other options of USDT that are here that will pop up. Okay, so you go add any one of them that you want to send your token to, even BEP2 USDT, as you can see right here. See BEP2 USDT right there. All right, so if I'm sending from my Trust Wallet, to a Binance account, okay, this is how it goes. Sending from Trust Wallet to a Binance account, definitely Binance accept any amount of USDT or any kind of USDT that I'm sending from anywhere. Okay, first of all, you need to click on deposit. Click on deposit, click on USDT. When you click on USDT, I choose the network, which most likely from Trust Wallet is BEP2. If it's a PEC USDT, copy the address, then go to my Trust Wallet. Okay, enter my passcode, then look for the USDT right here. Okay, BEP2 USDT, come here. Okay, that's TRC USDT. This TRC, okay, BEP2 USDT is actually named Binance PEC USDT. Binance PEC USDT. Okay, BSC USD, that's how it's named. So you click on it and then click send, paste that address, enter maximum, and then I click continue, and then I'm able to send to that address. Okay, but you see, if I click confirm, that 0 USDT that I've entered will just go, but that's nothing. There's nothing in the wallet. So now that's how you send Binance PEC USDT to Binance or any other USDT. So if I was sending this ERC USDT, the address I'll be copying from Binance will have to be the ERC address of USDT. That's this Ethereum ERC20 address. So the same thing applies when you're sending to MetaMask. We all know that MetaMask is basically built on Ethereum chain. So anything you are doing on MetaMask, you just have to make sure that it's either you have to be vigilant with the network you're actually operating on. All right, so now my MetaMask is actually on smart chain, so let me switch it to Ethereum chain. Now it's switched to Ethereum chain. If I'm sending USDT here, let me search here. I have to enable USDT right here. Let me search USDT, Theta USDT. Okay, yeah, that's it. Theta USDT, that's what I want to enable. So tap on it and then click on import, and boom, you have the USDT here. So copy here. Sorry. Click on it, then click on receive, then copy the address, then go to Binance. Go to Binance and send. That is, if you are sending from Binance to this particular MetaMask USDT, go to Binance and then click on withdraw, click on USDT network, and then paste the address. So you choose, this time around you choose ERC20. That's if you are sending from Binance to Trust Wallet. But if you are sending from Trust Wallet, sorry, from Binance to MetaMask, but if you are sending from MetaMask to Binance, so it all depends on the network you are sending on. So if it is this same Ethereum network that your USDT is actually on, Okay, you just have to copy the ERC address from Binance and then come to this Trust Wallet and send it. Just need to paste the address that you copy from Binance, ERC, and then send it. Alright, because I have 0 USDT right here and 0 Ethereum, I'm not able to send. But once you've pasted the address correctly, click next. Everything is just a process. Okay, so if I type that and then click go, to go through. Alright, so from here, save you. Okay, that was Ethereum I selected. So if I just click next, if I had Ethereum, USDT or Ethereum on my wallet, once I just click next, everything, the transaction will go through. So that's basically how to transact USDT from Binance to other wallets like Metamask and Trust Wallet, and from Metamask and Trust Wallet to Binance. Please subscribe to my channel.